Hello friends, in this video let's see how to prepare groundnut cake fertilizer for our balcony or terrace garden. What is groundnut cake? After the oil is extracted from groundnut, the leftover solid part is groundnut cake. This is a concentrated organic fertilizer. It is very rich in nitrogen. It has 7.3% of nitrogen, 1.5% of phosphorus and 1.3% of potassium in it. As you are seeing in this video, I have taken one handful of groundnut cake powder and little amount of neem cake powder as well. That is enough for the plants in my small balcony garden. I usually buy groundnut cake at 40 to 45 rupees per kg and neem cake powder from oil mills. Groundnut cake will be available in solid form or powder form. We can use it in any form. When we add neem cake powder along with this, the worms will not be formed. I am now adding approximately half liter of water. Mix it well, close it with the lid and keep it in a shady area for 24 hours to 48 hours. You can keep it for 3 days also, but not more than that. It will be nicely mixed in water and fermented within 2 days. I am opening the jar after 48 hours. It will look like this and you will observe sour smell coming from this solution. I am now taking 200 ml of this solution. You can now see the cake is completely mixed in water. There is no solid particle at all. I am now adding this solution to 10 liters of water and mix it well. Even though it is an organic product, we should not add more to the plants. Otherwise, the plants will be under stress. Loosening the soil is very important before we pour the solution to the soil. These are my plants. I am using this solution too. When we use this groundnut cake solution, we don't have to pour the water until it comes out from the pot. Depends on the pot size, we can use it from 100 ml to 1 liter also for bigger pots. And do not water immediately after adding this solution to the soil, otherwise it will come out from the drainage holes. This is my morning glory vine. It's growing like anything, but there is no flower at all. I give groundnut cake solution to the plants once in a month. Whenever I water plants with groundnut cake solution, I give WDC solution on the next day, so that the microorganisms in WDC will convert the organic matters into organic carbon. Plants can easily intake the nutrients. Very soon I got this first flower and I cannot count the number of flowers now. There are two ridgeguard vines growing from a 12 inches pot. I gave the groundnut cake solution once and you can see the result of it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable bell notifications to watch future videos so that my efforts in organic gardening will reach you faster.